Welcome aboard the Seaworld Skytower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some Seaworld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking, please. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30,000 animals over the past 50 years? You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC.
Yeah, you can do that.
Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class aquarium collections. Believe it or not, you can find some amazing aquariums in the gift shop of Journey to Atlantis, where sharks circle above you and schools of fish swim around your feet. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our signature ride, 2 awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with playful Commerson's dolphins. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica. As the cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster, Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks and reaches top speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly a mile of track. If you look for the icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water, and be inspired to make a difference. We're on a mission, and it's big but not impossible. Together, we're going to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience, helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet. Interaction is a big part of a SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences, Shark's Underwater Grill. For more information about any of the guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, just stop by the guest information counter near the front of the SeaWorld entrance gates. We hope that you've enjoyed your ride aboard the Seaworld Skytower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining us and have a whale of a day at SeaWorld.